Hi guys, it is Female Lover and I am back with another blind commentary, and this one is going to be Sounds of Silence. You guys may be familiar with that one actually, so I've got a real treat for you after this episode because I'm going to do at least 2 blind commentaries today, and I've already got another one in mind. So now I'm just going to get into this one and we'll see what happens together. Give a second.
I can't believe you two are going on a friendship quest. This is amazing. What do you mean, Twilight? We've been on one together before. Exactly. This is the first time the map has teamed up the same ponies for a second quest. That is special. Must be because we're extra good at solving friendship.
AJ, you're getting a little big-headed.
Might be a little tricky. You're going to the Peaks of Peril. The Peaks of Peril?
She worries about everything.
It doesn't mean anything. Like how clouds stay within the clouds, and then crystal sapphires made of crystal? Fair point.
Yeah.
So, what can you tell us about the place, Twilight? Only what Rocco told me. Back in his day, no pony knew much about the Peaks of Peril, except for the legend of his ancient shield.
Ooh, shield.
It says a group called the Kirin used to live there, known for their kindness and truth speaking. Now we know why the map calls us. Unfortunately, other
Wait.
creatures also live there. Lyric, fearsome beasts of pure fire. Oh, hey baby. We should go instead of me, Twilight. Sorry, Fluttershy. Flakes don't lie.
That's a reference to Hips Don't Lie, I swear. Everybody sees that.
That friendship problem solved no matter what kind of creature has it.
AJ is so confident.
My little
Beam,
my little
do we think this theme has changed a bit? Ooh, that's a change. Artie's a Wonderbolt. And there's the castle. And the school. And again, the school. And Wonderbolt. See everything that's changed? Oh, look. See, the theme has changed a little bit. Hey, that was Flurry Heart. Oh, and the logo, too. Everything has changed. Everything has changed. Not kidding. The train can only take you that far? What the heck?
no pony else is going out as far as we are.
Nope.
They know something we don't. Now, Fluttershy, I've told you
I will say, AJ, she worries about everything. Give her a break. I tell you, she worries about everything. We did it!
We didn't sit your
Thank you, AJ. There's those kinds of people that try to scare you. Ponies in this case.
Well, maybe there's a little something to be scared of.
Yeah. Well, she can fly, so she has a leg up on AJ. Oh, hey, it's the Flighters from one of the other episodes. Oh, look at her, she's a mess.
Tough going, huh, Fluttershy? Fluttershy!
Here come the Flighters. There she is.
That should be enough flowers to keep your tree cozy. Fluttershy? What are you doing? This is no time for visiting farming. We're on a friendship quest, remember? Yes, but actually... Hold on! We're burning daylight! I know, but what I found out is... Now we gotta get up that peak. I figured we use some rope and elbow grease.
Listen to her!
Can't you please
Thank you, Fluttershy.
What I'm trying to say is, the squirrels told me a shortcut they take to the Kieran village.
Oh. Sorry, Fluttershy. I suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
But that's all right. If you hadn't come back to get me, I probably would have talked to the squirrels all day. I hope that's not a T-Rex.
Show yourself!
Yeah, that's the leader, I think.
Well, hi. I'm Applejack, and this here's Fluttershy.
If you have any friendship problems, we're here to help.
Can I grab some M&Ms, guys?
What?
I don't have very many left in this pack.
We're from Equestria.
Oops, sorry.
Tickled to meet y'all.
I'm not going to stop the video for that because,
So,
yeah.
what are your names?
Applejack, they're not going to respond to you.
Applejack.
I can understand you, but they're not going to respond to you.
They don't understand us.
Do you
Okay, you don't need to say it like that.
Polish?
Oh, but you don't speak.
Don't or won't?
Applejack, stop it!
Moment. You have to ask yes or no questions, or they won't answer.
Like talking to Angel Bunny?
Not exactly. I can only tell what Angel is feeling, but see if you hear it. Don't show anything.
Well, how are we gonna solve the friendship problem if none of them will tell us what it is?
I don't know. Maybe find one that actually talks?
These Kieran are quieter than an apple blossom on a snowball. Still, there's gotta be something to make them speak. Beautiful day, ain't it? Knock, knock. Now you're safe.
Applejack! They're not going to talk.
Police! Police who? Police! Say something!
By the way, AJ, that's not funny.
Uh-oh. I feel a scene coming on.
Stop it, AJ. Stop it. Sorry about the crunching. I'm crunching on M&M's. I want a snack. Ooh, you're gonna find one that talks.
Now we're getting somewhere.
I don't have them lead into unknown territory.
Tell you what, Sugar Cube. You stay and see if you can get anything out of these here cubes. I'll go try and find one that talks.
Be careful. And watch out for T-Rex.
Her face. That's a squirrel. And we have a Kieran.
Oh, have you seen a Kieran that talks? Any idea where I should look? Oh, for the love of Celestia, can't you just say something? Gotcha. Sorry for that was too good. Oh, you don't know how much I miss jokes. Hi, hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Wild. Hi, I'm Autumn Blaze. You just arrived after have your tired, hungry, reflective, want to sleep and eat journal, which you should do, of course. But first, what joy to talk with another creature. It's been so long. You must tell me everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, what do you have going on? And you haven't seen. I mean, have you seen what everything? Of course you haven't. Just follow me.
Yeah.
That was something, all right.
Yeah. This guy was a mouthful, to be honest.
Wow. This is amazing. Oh, you think so too? The way the light shimmers off everything, like
No.
Gonna say it's pretty.
Yes, thank you.
And this is just the first stop on a journey of amazing things to see, smell, tiptoe through. Oh, I haven't been able to share all any pony in forever since they also said brown silence. So it's a lot for me to, process that deal with. Whoa there, Val of silence? That's why they asked me to leave. I hope it's not a sore subject, but you mind explaining why y'all went quiet in the first place? It's a long story.
Why do I feel a song is coming
Rather
on?
not talk about it? No. I'd rather...
I knew it. La 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 la. Hearing speaking thing, we won't go it quiet. Because the funny jokes will stand above the riot.
But then one day a fight broke out when the principal were sad. Flaring embers were in flames, destruction quickly spread. And the switch red had even hurt our friend. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I? Oh, right. My happy village lay in ruins, relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse.
No more making love anymore. Alright.
Into the stream of silence, we
Stepped
stepped
out the crowd.
the water cooled emotion, and peace restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained. Country boy,
Purple light up the sky, unless you let it rain.
and shiny apples, sometimes always burn. So you can't give up your laughter, 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that the curious never learn. I was stuck in silent prison with the voices in my head. Till I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my pipes, and I became quite chatty. With years and years of stored up words, I drove my village batty. They didn't like my jokes or songs, and they let no so new. The plays I wrote, speeches, books, variety review. A story about Fakirin who is below an opera stage. And fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaking out mouth. He played the organ a lot, yellow fruity, because the singer was in love with another dude. So he took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who
This
doesn't
is
love
love musical theater.
The village leader made it clear I had to make my choice. I could stay and live with them, or I could keep my voice. So I came here and left the couch alone. They're hard to lose. With just the mute for company until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys. Country
People won't light up the sky, unless you let it rain.
candle just one glow until you burn. So you can't give up your laughter, 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. No matter how hard I pulled them, their heart is still what rules them. Sometimes you gotta let it rain. Yeah, sometimes you gotta let it rain. Oh, I can't believe it. No pony should give up feeling their feelings.
Exactly. Thank you, AJ.
That's what I said. But when I started talking again. Oh, I bet this here's the problem that Fluttershy and I came to help y'all with. Really? Who's Fluttershy? Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called Silhouette Bloom of the Sundown Lands. Right. Well, I'm thinking if we just go talk to the other Kieran, we can get him to welcome you back proper like. Maybe even convince him to take your cure. Oh, yes, of course. Oh, just one small thing. The antidote for my anecdote, it's gone. There's no cure left? I used the last of the false breath flowers to make it, and I haven't seen them bloom since. Well, this wouldn't be a friendship quest if it was easy. I'm going to start by getting your friends to welcome you back. Between you and me, I'm not sure she's going to convince them. No? I hope she does.
She's right.
Fire is dangerous, especially in the forest like
I hate disagreeing with Fluttershy, but I disagree with her.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Neeric in the first
AJ
place.
is right in this one.
How can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
Applejack, you're not listening.
Cause you're not talking any sense.
What did they do?
Putting you through the vow of silence so you don't argue.
Each other.
God, shucks. We were just having a normal civil disagreement. Own it.
Where are they taking us?
To the stream of silence. If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again. Put them down.
I think she's a Neeric. Yep, she's a Neeric now.
It's all right. I think I know this one. She's trying to help. Well, yeah. Can't have the silence the only friend who'll speak to me.
She talks?
You have no idea. Fluttershy, meet Autumn Blaze.
Well, thank you for that, wall of fire. But I thought Neerics were dangerous when they're angry. How did you know you could control your temper?
I didn't. I guess anger's like other feelings. It's not about having them, it's what you do with them. And giving up happiness
She's
to
right.
give away anger is no kind of life.
I never thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
First, Claire, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmony. Do we miss it? I know you're worried about fights, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Everyone gets mad sometimes. Even Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
On the way here, and about the cheering being silent, and right now.
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let that get in the way of our friendship.
And if you're really angry, then take some time away to be a Neeric where it won't hurt anyone.
I think they're trying to say something. Okay, are you hungry? Enough from curing traps in a well? Okay, big fish. Baby fish mouth? Something? Anything? Just write it down. Ugh, this is serious. Would you excuse me? I'll be right back.
Watch this. I think he's gonna. Yep.
You were saying. Oh! You want the cheer for the stream of silence.
That's wonderful. Isn't it?
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately. I searched the entire forest 73 and a half times. Although I wonder if that second half could make a difference.
I wish she told us what kind of flowers she's looking for.
They're called mole's breath.
I've never heard of that.
Fluttershy? A little help?
She said they know where to find bull's breath.
Well, what are we waiting for? Lead the way.
That's what bull's breath looks like?
Autumn Blaze never would have made it past the peaks to search here. I owe you an apology.
Why?
Because if your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels, we never would have found this here flower.
And if your honesty hadn't convinced the Kieran to talk, we wouldn't need to find it.
Guess it's a good thing the map said both words, huh? You found them? Where were they? Tell me everything and feel free to add complicated descriptions and comedic tangents.
That's smart.
Oh, right. First things first. much like it if you came back to live with us. I can't say how much we've missed your beautiful voice.
Rainbows will light up the sky unless you let it rain. Beautiful words of a bird. Can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. Rainbows will light up the sky unless you let it. And there's your cutie mark signifying a job well done. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you watching if you did. Yeah. Sorry about my iPod falling over, but I didn't stop the video just because that happened. It was just for a brief second, and I was already so far in the episode that I wanted to continue. But I really hope you liked my reaction, and I am going to react to another episode right after I do a couple of things. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Toodles!